Wow, brown eyes. Oh, brown eyes.
Kitty, advance happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, ako tanong ni kang Kitty if you have plans to celebrate your birthday together with the Filipino community here or you already have plans?
Yeah. After the visit.
May visit kasi tapos may gamay mi din. Nami visit tama. Okay.
Ah,
Doon lang ni kadiyot.
On her birthday, so.
Yes, we can stop by.
Okay.
May gamay
After
lang.
the visit.
So that we
Mahal mo kayo maghanap.
Dili ka po. Kabalo ya ka mama, mga kababayan nato.
Ma, magluto-luto.
Mag-KKB lang, ma'am. Just like what we did to your father, with your father's
We
birthday.
can after the
ako si
visit.
Kuan.
For sure, after the visit.
And that's on Thursday, no?
Vivian.
Yeah, April 10.
April
Yes.
10, yeah.